Can you believe you found Paddington in the England?
Yeah.
And is that a Corgi down there?
Yeah. So we can cross off. Yes. I think that's smart. Are you gonna walk back? Oh, really? Well, we can find one.
What?
Are we gonna walk back this way? We can get our head over to the square. There's this book. It'll tell you what the foods are. Random property. I can get that. Missing part of the shot. And then this has the
Can you believe you found Paddington in the England?
Yeah.
And is that a Corgi down there?
Yeah.
Me and Jackson's favorite place, the fish shop right there. Always get some fish and chips. Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.